We've all been there. It's Tuesday night, you're staring into the fridge and your stomach's rumbling. Work was a marathon, the commute was brutal, and the idea of cooking a proper meal feels like climbing Everest. Sound familiar? We lead busy lives, juggling work, family, and a million other things. The demands of modern life can be overwhelming. Finding time to cook healthy meals often feels impossible. The clock is ticking and the pressure is on. But here's the truth, eating well doesn't have to be a chore. With the right approach, it can be enjoyable and rewarding. With a bit of planning and some clever shortcuts, you can enjoy delicious, nutritious dinners, even on the busiest weeknights. Imagine having a fridge stocked with ready-to-eat meals. Forget slaving away in the kitchen after a long day. Say goodbye to the stress and hello to convenience. This is about working smarter, not harder. Embrace tools and techniques that make cooking a breeze. We're going to ditch the takeout menus and unlock the secrets of stress-free weeknight meals. Get ready to transform your kitchen routine and enjoy the process. These recipes are quick, easy, and packed with flavor. They're also incredibly versatile. Feel free to swap in your favorite veggies, proteins, or even spices to suit your taste. What you need: chicken breasts, lemons, fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, and oregano, your favorite veggies like broccoli, peppers and zucchini, olive oil, salt, and pepper. How to make it: preheat your oven. Toss the veggies with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Place them in a baking dish. Season the chicken breasts with salt, pepper, and herbs. Squeeze lemon juice over everything. Bake until the chicken is cooked through and the veggies are tender. Recipe 2, speedy salmon with roasted sweet potatoes and asparagus. What you need: salmon fillet, sweet potatoes, asparagus, olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. How to make it: preheat your oven. Dice the sweet potatoes. Toss them with olive oil, salt, pepper, and paprika. Spread them on a baking sheet. Place the salmon fillets and asparagus spears on a separate baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil and season with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Roast until the salmon is flaky and the veggies are tender. Recipe 3, quinoa salad with black beans, corn, and avocado. What you need: quinoa, black beans, corn, fresh or frozen, avocado, red onion, cilantro, lime juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. How to make it: cook the quinoa according to package directions. Drain and rinse the black beans and corn. Dice the avocado and red onion. Chop the cilantro. In a large bowl, combine the quinoa, black beans, corn, avocado, red onion, and cilantro. Whisk together the lime juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss to coat. Section 3. Planning is power mastering meal prep like a pro. Meal prepping doesn't have to be a daunting task. In fact, it can be quite enjoyable and rewarding. Here's the secret: it's all about working smarter, not harder. By following a few simple steps, you can streamline your meal prep process. Plan your attack. Spend a little time each week planning your meals. This small investment of time will pay off in the long run. This will save you time and stress during the week. Imagine coming home to a ready-to-eat meal after a long day. Check what you already have on hand, make a shopping list, and stick to it. This ensures you only buy what you need, reducing waste and saving money. Sunday Fun Day. Dedicate a couple of hours on Sunday, or whenever works for you, to prep your meals for the week. Make it a fun activity with family or friends. Cook your grains, roast your veggies, chop your salads. A little effort on the weekend goes a long way. You'll thank yourself during those busy weekdays. Embrace the freezer. Your freezer is your best friend. It can help you preserve meals and ingredients for longer periods. Double your recipes and freeze half for those nights when you really don't feel like cooking. We've all been there. This way, you always have a backup plan. Get creative with containers. Invest in some good quality, reusable containers. They come in various sizes and shapes to fit your needs. They'll make storing and transporting your meals a breeze. Plus, they help keep your food fresh and organized, making your meal prep efforts truly worthwhile. Section 4. Fueling your body, owning your time. The meal prep advantage. Making meal prepping a habit isn't just about eating healthier. It's a lifestyle change that brings numerous benefits. It's about reclaiming your time and reducing stress. When you plan and prepare your meals in advance, you eliminate the daily hassle of deciding what to cook. Imagine this: you get home from work exhausted. The last thing you want to do is spend hours in the kitchen. But instead of facing the daunting task of cooking, you simply grab a delicious, healthy meal from the fridge. It's ready to go, saving you precious time and energy. You've already done the work, so now you can relax and enjoy. This means more quality time for yourself and your loved ones. Meal prepping gives you the gift of time and energy. time to spend with loved ones, pursue your passions, or simply unwind after a long day. It's a small investment with huge returns. It's about making healthy choices easy and convenient so you can feel your best and live your life to the fullest. With meal prep, you take control of your nutrition and your schedule.